So another, value-driven operations is common sense is common practice. And like a lot of people say is that, oh, your cleaners, they never have any common sense. So it's not that the cleaners don't have common sense. It's that we as companies design their job so they don't have the opportunity to exhibit their common sense. We literally schedule their day from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Okay, from 9 to 9:30, you clean this bathroom. From 9:30 to 9:45, you walk over here and you check that dispenser. They have no opportunity for common sense. So what we do is we actually build time into their day. We don't need hours a day. We try to build in 30 minutes to each of our cleaners' shift each day so that they can do those common sense things, which basically means if they see something dirty, clean it. If they see something that they want to fix, if they're always walking by this dirty window, we build in time so they can take the time and clean that dirty window. It seems like common sense, but again, we have cleaning companies have to take that initiative and give them the time to exhibit those common sense. When we do that, we also hold people to a higher standard. And by building in time for them to do this extra work, we expect them to do extra with that work. And if they're not, then we hold them accountable to that. So with the higher standards comes more accountability, which is better for the customer, and it actually helps us keep people longer. I mean, who wants to be told every single minute on what they need to do? They just need a little bit of freedom to exhibit that common sense. So we talk about building partnerships in our mission, building partnerships with the people we serve. So this common sense of giving people a little bit of extra time, it's not just there to serve our customers, right? Yes, we're building a partnership with our customer, but we also need to have a partnership with our associates, with our team members. And so every single other cleaning company doesn't give their cleaners this time to do that. And they wonder why they have so much turnover. They wonder why someone is there for 15 days and then they just stop showing up. So we realize that we have to empower our people in order for them to be long-term partners with us. So just like we want to create long-term partnerships with our customers, we also need to be focusing just as diligently on creating long-term partnerships with our associates. And this is one of the ways that we do that.